We are going to learn how to count from 1 to 10 in English. Let's start the lesson today. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 Now, let's count for one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 How many yo-yos? 1 yo-yo. How many monsters? 1 2 2 monsters. How many dinosaurs? 1 2 3 3 dinosaurs. How many airplanes? 1 2 3 4 4 airplanes. How many dolls? 1 2 3 4 5 5 dolls. How many bikes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 bikes. How many kites? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 kites. How many robots? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 robots. How many balls? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 balls. How many teddy bears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 teddy bears. That's the end of the lesson today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.